Derek with Eliminex. We're here in Middlesex County, New Jersey. This is the 5th and 6th squirrel we got out of this dormer up here. I didn't have to put any traps in the attic. Just put the traps right here. I had a good placements for the traps here. These are the juvenile ones. We caught the adults. And here's a nice one. We have special gutter traps. I have like 3 different styles of gutter traps. Some have it's a really nice weather out, only in the 40s and 50s. So, and I check these traps every day. So it's a perfect opportunity to put the gutter traps up to catch them quicker as they're going up and down the tree. As you can see, it's tied up, and he's up there having a good time, waiting for his ride back to his family. Into the area further enough away so they're not going to find their way back to this house. And here's his brother. He's up there. So I checked them yesterday. Nothing yesterday. Not a nibble. And then there they are. So I'm going to take these traps today. I'm going to leave no traps on the roof for a day or two. See if they report any noise in the attic. If they don't report any noise, I'm going to go ahead and start doing the exclusion work immediately, because Fish and Wildlife for New Jersey is really strict. They want you to do minimal trapping, only as necessary. So you can see we're doing the trapping right next to the hole, and we're going to remove those and then take them back. We'll do a walk around here. There's another dormer up here, but there's no activity on this side, but we're going to do the exclusion on this side too. And then the gable vent, there's one on this side and the other side. I'm going to do exclusion. And that'll be it. Happy to give these guys a happier place to be. Hopefully they'll reunite with their family, because I just released them a couple days ago. They might hook up. He's not fussing too much. He had food in there. It's a really beautiful day, so I'm going to get my ladder. Okay, and we'll see what's next.